Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Car Alerts, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2024 Audi A3. Audi's stylish and sophisticated entry-level luxury sedan that's packed with features, performance, and a design that can turn heads anywhere. Buckle up as we explore what makes this compact sedan a serious contender in its class. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior. Audi has given the 2024 A3 a sharper, more refined look. Up front, we have Audi's signature single-frame grille, but this time it's wider and more aggressive, flanked by sleek LED headlights with dynamic turn signals. The bold creases along the hood and sides not only enhance the aerodynamics but also give the A3 a muscular stance that feels both sporty and elegant. The headlights deserve a special mention. They're fully LED with optional matrix technology, providing unparalleled visibility without blinding other drivers. Interior now. Stepping inside, the 2024 Audi A3 takes luxury up a notch. The cabin is driver-focused, with a modern dashboard design featuring a 10.1-inch MMI touchscreen display that's angled toward the driver for ease of use. And speaking of ease, the system supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, with an intuitive interface that feels just right. Performance. Now let's talk performance. The 2024 Audi A3 comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing 201 horsepower and 221 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, the A3 offers quick shifts and a responsive drive. So there you have it, the 2024 Audi A3. It's stylish, it's tech-savvy, and it packs a punch. Whether you're looking for your first luxury sedan or just want a compact car that does it all, the A3 should definitely be on your radar. But what do you think? Is the Audi A3 the perfect blend of style and substance? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Alerts for more car reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, drive safe.